Here's question 3. Here's some production possibility curves for 4 different countries. And you can see them. They're all linear. So they all have a constant opportunity cost. Which statement about the opportunity cost of good R in terms of good S is not correct? I'm just going to see which statements, which ones are true or not. So is it true that the opportunity cost is greater on all points on R4, S4 than on R3, S3? No. The opportunity cost is a ratio. So, well, and actually it's R for S. How much S for each R? So the ratio is the same. So A is not true. B says it is greater in country 3 than country 2. Let's see, greater in country 3 than country 2. R in terms of good S. Yes. If we produce some R, we lose more S. There's more S lost in country 3 than in country 2. So B is true. C says it is lower in country 2 than in country 1. It's lower in country 2 than in country 1. Yes, because in country 2, we have a lot more capacity to produce R2 or to produce R. So, and not much more S. So the ratio here is less than approximately 1-to-1 ratio for R1, S1. So I would say yes. And D says it is the same at each point on R3, S3. Yes, a linear PPC means that your opportunity cost does not change as you move along the curve. So B, C, and D are all true. A is not true, so A is not correct. A is the answer for 3. Shall we try 4? Let's try 4. 4 says, many governments are concerned that the high sugar content in fizzy drinks might lead to health problems such as obesity. These governments are also concerned about the lack of public awareness of the dangers. What can be concluded from this? Concluded. So what can we know from this? A, consumers of fizzy drinks have information failures. Yes, because they said the government's concerned about the lack of public awareness of the dangers. That is information failure. Can we conclude that consumers consume fizzy drinks? No. They're saying that there's probably too much consumption because of the information failure. Can we conclude that fizzy drinks are merit goods? No, it seems like they lead to health problems. So no, they're not merit goods. And D says fizzy drinks are non-excludable. We cannot conclude that from what they told us. Actually, it doesn't tell us anything about excludability, but presumably fizzy drinks are private goods. So the answer for 4 is A.